Let's talk briefly about replaced elements. In CSS, replaced elements are external objects. So CSS does not control the appearance of these elements. For example, images and videos are described as replaced elements. So you have some typical replaced elements like iframe, video, embed, image. In simple terms, CSS can change where they are placed, but not what they look like. So these have a predetermined width and height without CSS. A common one that we use is image. So imagine we import an image and we use the img tag. Now the image has a default size, and that default size is what is going to be displayed on the web. Now, the object fit and object position are CSS properties that allow you to control how an image or video element is displayed within its container. Object fit property determines how the image or video should be scaled to fit within its container. You can choose to stretch the image to fill the entire container, scale it down to fit while preserving its aspect ratio, or not to scale it at all. Now, the object position property determines where the image or video should be placed within its container. You can choose to align it to the top, center, or bottom of the container, as well as align it to the left, center, or right. Now you can read more on the values of object fit and object position, but these are just, ways of dealing with these replaced elements.